Hello guys, this is Sir Parts. Welcome to Sir Parts Comedy, and our topic for our comedy today is National Heroes Day 2025. Welcome to Sir Parts online YouTube channel and also to our Facebook Christian Vin Partosa. Good evening everyone. Happy National Heroes Day. National Heroes Day is the only holiday where we honor people who can't attend their own party kasi lahat sila busy. Busy sa eternity. Imagine if our heroes were alive today. Dr. Jose Rizal would probably be vlogging on YouTube. Hola mga kababayan, welcome to my channel, Dr. J Vlogs. Don't forget to like, share, and revolutionize. Andres Bonifacio, ay nako, he'd be on TikTok, dancing with bolo and red pants. Kung hindi tayo kikilos, Sido, kung hindi ngayon, kailan? Hit follow for part 2. Meanwhile, Emilio Aguinaldo is still denying everything. Hindi ako yan, fake news yan. Pero let's be honest, today's generation may mga bagong bayani din. Like the jeepney driver na kaya pa ring magpasada kahit 70 na ang gasolina. Or yung nanay na gumagawa ng kape. 3 beses iniinit pero mas malakas pa rin sa Starbucks. Or the teacher na may 50 students online class pero 5 lang nakakamera. National hero yan, promise. Pero syempre, iba ang definition natin ng hero ngayon. Noon, matapang sa labanan. Ngayon, matapang sa group chat. Yung nagre-reply ng okay po kahit hindi naman okay. At huwag kalimutan, may mga silent heroes din. Yung estudyante na nagdala ng stapler sa buong klase. Yung empleyado na nag-Zoom meeting kahit brown out sa kanila. At syempre, yung nagbayad ng utang sa tamang oras. Legendary hero yan. So this National Heroes Day, let's remember, hindi lang sila Dr. Rizal, Bonifacio o Mabini. Heroes are also your parents, your teachers, your friends, even yourself. Lalo na kung pinipilit mong magising kahit 10 alarms na. Thank you mga kabayan. Mabuhay ang mga bayani. I hope you enjoy. Let's comedy. See you. Happy National Heroes Day. Bye bye everyone.